Smelling like gelato. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there?
Girl, it's been too long. Clock done fell off the wall. Been out here writing songs. Where the hell did the time go? Take on my passions with pain, but would you do the same? I'm going so insane, thinking about where you and I go. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. Baby, we can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there? I scream, you scream, we can never play it fair. Thought you're on my team, don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it there. Summer nights, you're my favorite girl. We can face the world, we stay up until the sunrise. Sometimes you get angrier, things get dangerous. Can't get up and get on my ride. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. We can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there? I scream, you scream, we can never play it fair. Thought you're on my team, don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it there.
Time is moving fast, but I can't go. You keep trying to heal, but it don't show. No one really knows how to carry on. Carry on. No, no, no. Everybody thinks, but they don't know. Butterflies that go turning so cold. Rainy days are when I need you most. But I love to see your face, and you feel the same way. You and I are still the same, and I hope we never change. And I know we're not right, we could end this fight. I can't ever change a thing, I could never change a thing. Yeah, change a thing. I could never change a thing. I could never change a thing.
I wanna turn my phone off, but that's where all my friends are. What do? Why is it so hard to find someone new so far away? All the days that I used to have someone right beside me, now I can find in my phone screen. It's tiring, just wanna feel something. Lonely nights talking the pixels. I don't go out, don't intermix with the crowd, and I wonder why I'm sitting all alone, staring at my phone. Oh, I just want a connection. Is that so hard to ask for? I just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no white noise on the other line. I just want a connection, is that so hard to ask for? I just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no phone static, phone static, oh. Phone static, oh. I'm tired of being by myself, but it's better for my mental health. I do not like anybody here, so why do I care? I tell myself that I just need to have someone right beside me, or else I'm nothing. But for me, I'd rather be alone than with some people that I don't know. Midnights talking to pixels. I don't go out, don't intermix with the crowd, and I wonder why I'm sitting all alone, staring at my phone. Or I just want a connection, is that so hard to ask for? I just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no white noise on the other line. I just want a connection, is that so hard to ask for? I just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no phone static, phone static, oh. Text messages on repeat, start to lose all feeling. Where are the people for me? Text messages on repeat, start to lose all feeling. Where are the people for me? Phone static, phone static, oh. Phone static, phone static, phone static, phone static, oh. Tell me, were you